Hello and welcome back to my channel. So I was originally going to do like a makeup video tonight to post for tomorrow, but plans have changed. YouTube changed those plans. YouTube has now decided that, me hitting my 10,000 view mark, which was huge to me because I worked my butt off, that they were going to make the mountain higher. So now, not only do I have to have 1,000 views or 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, like really? Thanks, YouTube. So we're just gonna rant because now I'm mad. I worked my butt off. Other YouTubers have worked their butt off. Small YouTubers have been like clinging, trying to be good enough for YouTube. And are we? No. YouTube's like, you made it, but we're going to shove you off a cliff because we're YouTube and we can change the rules at any time. It doesn't matter that we just changed the rules. We're going to change them again because we can, because we're YouTube. And we've talked to other YouTubers. Really? Which ones did you talk to? The ones who are already monetized, the ones who have so many subscribers that it's not going to matter if you change it to, you have to get your channel to the moon and back. No, it's not going to matter to them. They're making money. They're making money from sponsorships. They're making money other ways. So really, you're cute, YouTube. We're going to make it impossible for any small YouTuber to make anything and not care. We've talked to other YouTubers, but you haven't talked to the small ones. You've already made it nearly impossible to find our channels. We have to work our butts off to get noticed. And then you go through and you go, okay, well, we're gonna not allow you to be monetized unless you have 10,000 views. And then we're gonna demonetize half your videos. So it doesn't really matter. And you're only gonna make like $1, and because you only make $1, it's not really gonna matter that we moved the mountain. Do you know how hard we have to work for that $1? Like, do you get it? Like, we actually really do put effort into our videos, and doing this is just so discouraging. It's wrong. Like, are you kidding me? Do I really want to make content now? I mean, I'm going to continue because I enjoy making YouTube videos. I'm not here for the money, but for some people, they were really trying their best to make a little extra income. Not all of everyone's life here on YouTube is posh and luxurious. Like, seriously, when you make a mountain and we finally get to that monetization and then you're like, you thought you were here. You thought this was the summit. Nope. We're going to take it higher because we're YouTube and we can. Special. Well, here's the thing about small YouTubers. We're pretty resilient. We stick together. If we decide that we're going to get there, we will get there. But seriously, stop changing the rules once we've made it. Stop making the mountain higher because it's not fair and it's not right. And who knows if any bigger YouTubers are going to say anything? Probably not, because why would they? They're not affected by it. They don't care. They're already past the small YouTuber point, but seriously, it's laughable. It really is. And it kind of pisses me off. I mean, you're going to have excellent small YouTubers who quit because they just can't make it. I mean, for a lot of YouTubers who I watch personally, they have 150 to maybe 300 subscribers. And that does not make it any easier. It's ridiculous. Like, seriously, I just love how they make it sound like, oh, we've talked to creators like you. Like, did you talk? Because I don't think any small ones were like, yes, make it harder for us to make money. We really want it to be harder. That's what we want. We want it to be so hard because that just sounds like us. I mean, it's already hard. We're already trying to get noticed. We're already bugging our friends. Hey, go watch our videos. Hey, go watch our videos. Post. Like, we've annoyed people enough to get to where we've at least gotten 10,000 views for some of us. Some of us haven't even hit that 10,000 view threshold. And then you're like, now you have to get 4,000 hours worth of watch time. Okay. I'll see you in 2 years when I get that 4,000 hours of watch time. Like, seriously? Like, go big or go home, YouTube. Gosh, thanks. Yay. Ugh. I don't know what they were thinking. I don't think that, I mean, here's my thought. At some point, YouTube is going to give way to another platform that is going to be much different, maybe more accepting. I mean, you're kind of setting yourself up to fail, YouTube, because if some of us move, some of us might actually get noticed. They might actually create a search engine that allows people to find our small channels. And they might actually give a crap about the smaller YouTube or the smaller content creators. Like, seriously. Actually, they might care. And that's my problem, is YouTube just doesn't care about the smaller creators. They say they do, which is cute, but they don't. And I mean, once my channel's monetized in 9,000 years, because I know as soon as I get to that threshold they've set, they're going to be like, oh, we've set another one because we like watching you struggle. Thanks, YouTube. Thanks. I don't know. It's aggravating. And I don't know of any other smaller YouTubers who are going to be like, this is the greatest thing ever. Yay! I'm so excited. No, they're not going to be like that. They're going to be like, F you, YouTube. Like, that's seriously how we all feel right now. I've been in enough Facebook groups for smaller YouTubers and things to see the uproar that this has caused. Bigger YouTubers are probably going to be like, I mean, I will be surprised if any of them stick up for us smaller content creators. I mean, they had to have started off small. Gosh, it would be nice if somebody said something. I don't know if they will. Well, let me know your thoughts about the new monetization rules down below. Have you read them? Have you seen them? What do you think of them? They suck. That's my thought. They suck. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed me ranting about this, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I feature a lot of rants on my channel. I was going to do a whole get ready with me, but I can't focus because YouTube sucks. I'm mad. I have nothing else to say. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day, night, wherever you are, and bye!